A few minutes of Fade to Black, episode 18. The tint goes on the outside. Oh boy. Welcome back to the channel. This is Way from Fade to Black. Like I always say, thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel, and thank you guys for watching the channel. Man, I'm trying to make videos for customers. I'm trying to make videos that can represent other tint shops out there, and I'm also representing videos that maybe you just want to watch for entertainment. Now, this is something, it's one of those things that if we had $1 for every time we heard this, we would probably be rich. If we had $1 every time we heard this, we wouldn't even have to tint windows. Wow, I didn't know the tint goes on the outside. Okay, right now, stop the music. Right now, I'm making a stand, right now. Okay, it's going down right now. I'm trying to tell every person out there, the tint does not go on the outside. Can you hear me now? Feel me now. It doesn't go on the outside, all right? So, us window tinters, what we do is we fit the patterns, we shape the patterns, we heat shrink the patterns, we do that all on the outside. So when you're looking at us working the patterns and working the film on the outside, some of us are hand cutting it, some of us are plotting it, some of us are heat shrinking it. What we're doing is we're getting the film ready to be installed inside. We're shrinking the film, we're shaping it, we're doing all our prep work before it goes in the inside of your car. So as you're seeing us outside of the vehicle, you're thinking, oh man, outside? But no, just give us time, be patient, let us do our thing, and then you'll see the final outcome at the end. The tint goes on the inside of the vehicle. All right, now, for flat glass and buildings and stuff like that, you can get some exterior films, but for the general, most part, on a car or vehicle, your tint should be inside, all right? So don't let someone come telling you you're gonna tint your car and have tint on the outside, because no, that's not how it's supposed to go, all right? So when you guys see us doing that, just know that we're getting ready to install film on the outside. Now, I've seen some people that have tint on the outside of their vehicles, and that's not how it's supposed to go. Window tint isn't made like that. Window tint isn't gonna last like that. So if you never had window tint done, remember your rings, your seat belt buckles, your dogs jumping up inside your car, all that can affect your film, okay? Because it is on the inside, all right? So if you see this video, please comment down below. And if you're a window tinter, I know you've heard this so many times before. I didn't know the tint goes on the outside of the vehicle. Well, it doesn't, all right? It doesn't. It does not go on the outside of the vehicle. The tint goes inside. So a couple of my subscribers brought up this comment of how many times they heard that, and I had to say, man, we always hear that as well, because here at Fade to Black, you know, I don't mind sitting out, conversating with you, tint your vehicles. I'm totally cool with that, but then you see the process done. Since you're not sitting in the lobby or waiting room, you see it done, so you get to thinking that it goes on the outside, but it really doesn't. We're just getting it ready to put it inside of your vehicle. So, hey, thank you for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, man. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell so you do not miss any notifications, and believe you me, I'll be back when I get time with another video. But until then, stay faded. Thanks for watching. Peace.